Alright, installation instruction for the compact bottom outlet valve handle kit MCK01 Salco products. Alright, half-inch drill, portable drill attachment, press attachment, cutting fluid for the drill, 11/16 with the drill bit, reciprocating saw, or a quarter-inch bits for pilot, 5/16 within socket, wrench, 1/2 inch socket, and wrench. File center punch angle grinder, black spray paint for touch-ups and skid onto the skid plate. Contrasting spray paint for marking holes. Drill fixture Salco provided. Standard 5/8 inch 11 unit unified CS nuts for temporary bolt and handle up. Verify fit up. You're going to cut here at the skid plate. On the skid plate, verify that the valve is fully closed position. Remove the spring pin holding the handle of the valve stand. Cut off the bracket. Locks the handle in place using the reciprocating saw. Slide the handle out of the remove it. Alright, here is a pictures of the remove handle supports. Cut off 2 brackets support old handle using reciprocating saw. Keep cuts as close to the reinforcement pads as you can while avoiding cutting it into the weld. Run over any sharp edge of the handle valve. Touch the exposed metal with a black spray paint with an inhibitor to rust. Alright, then you have your mark holes for the bracket with a spray painter and the little bracket. Slide the drill fixture over the valve stem, press it flat against the face of the skid. Make 3 holes for the bracket. Using the contrasting spray paint, use center punch to mark with each center of the holes. Start each hole at a quarter-inch pilot hole, followed by up with 11/16 with the drill bit. Touch up the exposed metal with the black spray paint inhibitor rust. Alright, now you have 1.5 inch from the square shaft in your skid browning bracket 1.5 inch holes. Install the adapter on the valve stem. Be sure to place the spring inside of the adapter before installation. Install the bolt into the adapter temporarily to keep the spring compressed. Measure the outside face of the skid plate 1.5 inches long with the adapter. Make mark on the square portion of the adapter. So you're also going to want to mark that. There's the mark your cut adapter and chamfer round over all edges of the avoid catch points all 4 sides. 1/8 inch, quarter-inch, 45-degree chamfer all 4 sides. Alright, away from car and cut adapter marking using angle grinder. Keep the cut as square as possible. Use grinder to avoid 1/8 inch, quarter-inch by 45-inch chamfer on the 4 sides of the cut end. Round over all the corners and ends of the butt as possible to avoid having edges to catch on. And then install the adapter onto the valve stem. Be sure to place the spring inside of the adapter before installation. Press the spring, install the bolt into the adapter. Secure the bolt using a supplied nylon lock nut. And there's the nylon lock nut. Push the handle until the guide bolt has reached the end of the axle slot. Keep the handle in horizontal position. Installing the handle assembly, press the handle into the guide bolt, reach the end of the axle slot. Keep the handle in horizontal position. Bring the handle assembly car, insert the adapter pocket of the handle shaft. Place the handle assembly on the flat against the face of the skid. Keep the handle pressed to ensure the shaft stays aligned with the adapter. Alright, you got your bolt handle assembly place. Install 5/8 inch bolts into the handle assembly. Secure the handle using standard non-locking 5/8 with the nuts time for the time being. Alright, now you have a cycle the handle, and you can cycle the handle several times to ensure that the handle shaft and adapter are properly aligned. Experiment with the resistance tube, rubbing, try loosening 3 5/8 inch nuts to readjust the location of the handle bracket, retightening. If resistance persists, you may need to lock at the chamfers and radii end of the adapter and make any further relief as needed. Alright, replace the 5/8 inch nuts. Once handle operate freely, replace the 5/8 inch nuts. Lock nuts include the kit. And with the kit, it is recommended with the nuts replaced at the time to avoid affecting adjustment were made to alignment of the shaft adapter. Your handle securement, provisions for the cable seal, and then you have your chain. With the handle disengaged, slide the seal pin into the handle and the shaft, and this will prevent someone from being able to engage the shaft with the adapter. Cable seal can be installed through the eyelet of the seal pin flapper around the pipe of the handle and the tamper evidence. Sorry, Mom, I'm being loud. Am I too loud for you, Mama? Insert L pin into the hole in the pipe. Rotate the locking bracket. Provision for cable seal and split ring. With the handle disengaged, slide the L seal pin through the hole in the underside of the pipe near the base plate. With the rotate with the pin into the locking bracket. Slide the hairpin through the split ring attached to the L pin with the rear hole of the bottom locking bracket. The hairpin will prevent the L pin from vibrating out of the locking bracket. L pin is intended to prevent the adapter rotating. This will prevent the valve from accidentally vibrating, opening individual from opening the valve with a wrench. A cable seal can be installed through the two front holes of the locking bracket for tampering evidence. Alright, paint guidelines. The axle slots for the radial slot guide bolt should be masked prior to painting. All exposed portions of the shaft as well with the pocket area where the adapter engages the shaft are to be masked to avoid gumming of the handle operation. Do not paint the adapter. And that was your installation instruction for the compact bottom outlet valve handle kit with the MCK01.